Hey everybody, so here we are back in the container and we have had a bit of a rearrange. So what we have done is move all the powder and coating stuff that was on this side to this side, so we can redo the ventilation for here a little bit better. Set the compressor up here, we're going to box that in. We have this oven here, but we will replace that one. We have our spraying and application section here. We have some shelving. We've organised a bunch of gear here and shelving, so plenty of space and plenty of things ready to go. A little bit more work here and there in here, but today is a big day. Today is the day we are going to use the spray booth for the very first time. So we have done a few little things here and there. We are ready to go. Got all our gear set up. Mesh out that air coming in so it doesn't disturb it too much. Covered the floor where we need to. So what we paint today is the front bar for the XR6 again. Now there's a bit of a backstory to this, which we'll throw up for another quick video after this one to show what actually happened to this. But it's taken about 6 months for me to get to this stage because I wanted to wait to build this to give it a go. So this is our test piece to get this happening. Same colour. Now when we did paint it, I did paint it slightly wrong for the application of the pearl. So we're going to have to try to mimic that again today so it looks the same. It is going to look a bit different because it's a newer yellow than the old yellow. We're going to make it look the same. So we're going to clean this thing, 3 coats of colour, 3 coats of clear. Spend the next couple of hours while it gets dark in here. Let's get it happening. Rightio, so we got our 3 colours done. We actually did 4 coats of the clear. It looks brilliant. It's probably going to look better than the rest of the car actually, so it's come up really, really well. A few things in here that we need to work on. There's a couple of gaps up there. We missed a spot right there somehow. We're going to put an external latch on this door. There's some better latches just to hold that in. A couple of random things. There's a bit of, you can see that in the light. Not ideal, but filters worked. Caught most of it, as you can see. Definitely did their job. Definitely impressed about this. So now we're just going to clean up and let the fun begin. We can paint whatever we want now, rain, hail or shine. So super happy, super impressed.